Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dreams on the drums. We'll begin by establishing the fundamental groove, which is crucial for the entire song. Focus on the interplay between the hi-hat, snare, and bass drum. The hi-hat maintains a steady eighth note rhythm, providing a consistent pulse. The snare drum hits on beats 2 and 4, while the bass drum typically lands on beats 1 and 3. Practicing this core pattern will build a strong foundation for the rest of the track. Next, let's explore the nuances of the verse and chorus sections. During the verses, the hi-hat often opens slightly, creating a more airy feel. Incorporate subtle ghost notes on the snare drum to add texture without overpowering the vocals. As you transition into the chorus, increase the intensity. The backbeat on the snare becomes more pronounced, and a well-placed crash cymbal on the downbeat of the chorus can really emphasize the shift, driving the song forward with renewed energy. Now, let's tackle the bridge and incorporate some effective drum fills. The bridge section often presents a slight rhythmic variation, offering a chance to subtly change the groove. This is also an excellent opportunity to introduce tasteful drum fills. Remember, fills should serve as transitions, guiding the listener from one section to the next without being overly complex. Simple, 4-beat fills using the tom-toms can add a melodic element and build anticipation for the return of the main chorus. Finally, mastering Dreams on the drums involves understanding dynamics and the overall feel. The song has distinct dynamic shifts, from softer verses to more powerful choruses. Vary your stick pressure on the hi-hat and snare to reflect these changes, adding depth to your performance. A consistent tempo is paramount, ensuring the song flows smoothly from start to finish. Listen carefully to the original recording to capture all the subtle nuances and truly embody the iconic drum part.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.